Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about assignment of interest. Okay, this is a great video, but before we get started, guys, go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You guys know I'm doing this content for you guys so you can dominate in this industry. All right, so assignment of interest is a great document, guys. It's a form that you're going to be able to use so that you can have the rights towards the claim. It is very important for us to understand that when we're pursuing a claim with assignment of rights or assignment of interest, we now have taken over the interest and taken over the rights towards the claim, so that claim is now officially ours. So there are some scenarios in which you want to ensure that your company is going to be paid out, and the county may not honor a payment direction letter. They might say, hey, if we're going to submit a check, it has to be for the person that's entitled to funds. We won't be able to distribute it for, a POA or something like that. So in those scenarios, we can use an assignment of interest. Or if you're somebody who just always wants your claims clear cut, you can get assignment of interest as well. The form is in my course, guys, but I'll go ahead and kind of outline exactly what the assignment of interest is. It's stating the party that's entitled. Majority of the time, you're going to list the address that they live at, and then it's going to list the party, which is your company or yourself, depending on how you do your business. Ideally, you're running this professionally as a company. They're going to assign the rights over to your company. It's then going to list out the details. So we're going to list out the property address. We're going to list out the county, the state, the date of the sale, the parcel number. We're going to list out the amount that is entitled to that previous owner that you're now going to take over rights towards. This document does need to be notarized, guys. In some cases, you might need 2 witnesses as well. But once you have that document, like I said previously, that claim is now yours. So now I'm going to share with you guys how you actually need to submit a claim when you have assignment of interest or assignment of rights. For starters, we're always going to give a cover letter, guys. Cover letter that is going to break down exactly the documents that are included, the case number or the tax ID number, whatever identifier number we have, so that the county or the trustee or whoever is reviewing this can actually see, okay, this is the claim that we're in reference to. We're going to list out our documents. First thing we're going to do is we're going to have a claim. Now, on this claim form, since it's now our claim, we have to word it correctly since we got assignment of interest. So you're going to put your party's name, okay, so your company name, parentheses, via assignment of interest from, and then you're going to list out the person who you got assignment of interest from. Very important. So example, Asset Recovery LLC, parentheses, via assignment from John Smith, close parentheses. We're going to do our standard, fill out property address, the case number, the amount that's entitled, and then we're going to go ahead and get that notarized. Now, if the county needs a W-9, you are going to actually fill out the W-9. Proof of identification, you're going to submit proof of identification. Then we're going to submit the assignment of interest or assignment of rights form with the identification of the party that you took over. We're going to make sure that that document is notarized. If you need witnesses, we're going to attach the witnesses. If we need to supply any additional documents like the deed document or death certificate or anything like that, we're going to submit that as well. So basically, we're submitting all of the proof as if it was a previous owner, but now that claim form is now ours. Okay, so this is a great strategy if you want to make sure that check is 100% always paid out to your company. You can use this to your advantage. Once again, that document is in the course, assignment of interest. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do this business and you want to pursue claims this way, make sure you check out the course, guys. If you haven't gotten the course yet, you can use the code TAKEACTION and you'll receive $100 off. I'm looking forward to helping you guys out.